Gattu becomes detective. Gattu and Chinky both were ready to go to the mall with their mummy. And very excited too, because their mother had said that Gattu and Chinky could play games in the play zone while she was shopping.
Mummy, why are you taking so long now? Hurry up. Otherwise, your sale will get over. Hey Gattu, my sale is for the whole day. It won't end so soon. And I have booked a taxi. It'll be coming soon. But Mummy, why aren't we going in our car? Chinky, our car has been taken for servicing, right? Okay, come on out. The taxi's here.
Gattu Chinky get into the taxi with mummy and start talking about games and rides.
Today I'm definitely going to ride that cup ride in the play zone. And me too. And then we'll play that teddy game where you have to pull cute teddies out of a machine. Who knows, we might find that rabbit today. Okay, done.
Nobody even realizes when the mall comes along while they were talking. Mummy takes Gattu and Chinky to the play zone. And after recharging their card, she says to them,
Kids, here you go. I have got the card fully recharged. Now you can use it to get into any ride. Yay! Okay, Mummy. Good luck with your sale. Yes, Mummy. Good luck. Thank you, my dear children. Now go and stay inside the play zone, okay?
Gattu and Chinky go inside. And Mummy also goes to do shopping.
Let's go, Chinky. On the cup ride first. Okay, let's go.
But just then Chinky stops and says to Gattu,
Hey, Gattu, wait. Look there. What? Look there, Gattu, Monty.
Chinky shows Gattu that Monty was standing near a little girl a short distance away. And the little girl was crying.
It seems Monty is irritating that little girl, Gattu. Yes, you're right, Chinky. Come, let's get Monty away from that girl.
Gattu Chinky quickly approach Monty and that girl and see that Monty was snatching the girl's chocolate from her.
Come on, give me this chocolate. If you eat it, your teeth will be ruined. Monty, don't you feel ashamed? You are stealing a chocolate from such a little girl. Hey, Chinky, what do you care about all this? Mind your own business. Monty, you are going or should I call that police auntie? I am leaving now, but I'll get back to you guys later.
Monty goes away from there. But the girl is still crying.
Chinky, this girl's mother is nowhere to be seen. Hope she's not lost. I think so too, Gattu. Come, let's help her.
Gattu says to that girl,
Why are you crying? Where is your mama? Yes, dear. Where is your mama?
But the girl was very small and she was just crying.
Gattu, I think she still cannot speak properly. How will we find her mother in such a situation? Dear child, don't worry. Detective Gattu is here to help you now. And this over here is my assistant Chinky. Together, both of us will find your mother quickly. Now stop crying.
Seeing Gattu speak like this, the child actually stops crying.
Detective sir, now what should we do first to find her mother? Chinky, look, this girl has a small purse with her. You should check her purse. Who knows if there's a name card in it? Yes, I'll check it right now.
Chinky makes the girl sit near the chairs and says to her lovingly,
Can I see your purse?
Hearing this, the little girl slowly extends her purse towards Chinky.
Oh, thank you so much.
Chinky checks the purse. Inside it was a small name card with only this written on it.
It says, This purse belongs to Ria. That means, Gattu sir, this girl's name is Ria. Oh, very good, Chinky. Now we know that this girl's name is Ria. We have solved the mystery of this girl's name. Is there anything else in Ria's purse, Chinky? No, sir. Just this water bottle. That's it. Oh, okay. Ria, drink some water from your water bottle. And don't worry, Detective Gattu will find your mama soon.
Hearing this, Ria smiles and drinks water from her water bottle.
Thank you, Detective.
Gattu Chinky are very happy to see Ria talking a little.
I think Ria's mom wouldn't leave her alone in the play zone. In my opinion, she must be hanging out right here in the play zone. And what, Detective sir? There's the play zone map. Let's go over there and see how many areas are there in the play zone.
Gattu, Chinky and Ria quickly come to see the play zone map.
Look, according to this map, there are 3 areas within the play zone. The first one for rides, the second one for games, and the third one for toy shopping. We have to check all 3 areas one by one. Did you understand, assistant? Yes, sir. Let's go, Ria. Let's start with the rides area.
Gattu, Chinky and Ria arrive at the rides zone. And Detective Gattu scans the entire area intently.
Area check, assistant. No one is here looking like Ria's mom. Let's go to the games area.
Gattu, Chinky and Ria arrive at the games zone. There were many children playing games with their parents.
Chinky, Ria's mama or papa aren't here either. Now only the last toy shopping area is left. Ria, don't worry. You'll definitely find your mom over there.
Now Gattu, Chinky and Ria arrive at the last zone. The crowd here was quite large, as all the children were shopping for toys with their parents. And some people were getting their cards recharged at the counter.
Detective, the scanning task here is even tougher. There's a lot of people here. So, assistant, you will have to help me too. We'll check the entire area together.
Gattu, Chinky starts scanning the area together. When Gattu sees a lady standing a little distance away, she was looking very sad and searching for someone here and there.
Assistant, look there. That auntie is searching for something. Do you think she is Ria's mom? Oh yes, sir. Look, her dress too matches with Ria. Let's go.
Gattu, Chinky quickly take Ria to them. Seeing them, Ria says,
Mama. Ria, my child, where were you? I was looking for you everywhere. Auntie, don't worry. Detective Gattu and his assistant Chinky together protected Ria and brought her to you. Thank you so much, kids. You guys are really so smart. Here, take this from my side.
Auntie gives chocolates to Gattu, Chinky. And seeing this, the 2 little detectives are overjoyed.
Yay, chocolates!
In the end, Ria says,
Thank you, Detective Bhaiya. Thank you, Didi.
Everyone starts laughing after hearing Ria say this.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.